Introduce features interest for HEABOLI 4K dual dash cam front and rear. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 4K dash cam front and rear, adopting advanced chip and top quality Sony sensor. The 2-channel car camera produces fluent 4K videos in front and 1080p videos for back camera. The image clarity is great enough to capture license plates and road signs in day and night. Wi-Fi connection allows you to control the dash camera for car with your smartphone. We spent years developing HEABOLI mobile app to ensure the good reliability. You are able to live view, change settings, edit and dub videos, download files, and even share videos on social medias in real time. The driving route will be displayed on Google Map during playback. And driving information such as driving speed, vehicle's location will be revealed on the video stamp. You can play videos via the app on your iOS or Android device or on a computer. The car driving recorder is equipped with a 3 inches IPS screen. The form factor is well designed and build quality is exquisite, especially the creative design of magnetic bracket enable the dash cam body quickly and easily goes on and comes off the mount. The dashboard camera is based on Sony IMX335 sensor. Sony sensor is capable of handling fine details, while HDR technology offers brighter highlights and a wider range of color detail. So the car DVR has no problem catching license plates and road signs even in low light conditions. The built-in 300 mAh battery enable the dash camera to provide 24-hour parking monitor while the car is parked. When the car engine and the camera is off, the car camera will automatically turn on and record a 30s video and then turn off once detecting any collision around the car. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.